Portable projectors have improved a lot over the past few years, but most of them still feel like compromises. Some are compact but weak in brightness. Others have decent visuals but terrible software. And many ultra-short throw projectors are simply too large to move around easily. That's why this projector stands out immediately. The Optoma ML1080UST Photon GO combines portability, smart streaming, ultra-short throw technology, and triple laser color. Performance into one surprisingly compact package. The first thing that makes this projector different is the setup experience. Traditional projectors usually need distance to create a large image, which often means ceiling mounting or placing the projector far across the room. This one changes everything with its ultra-short throw design. Place it close to the wall and it instantly creates a massive display that feels like a true home theater screen. That convenience alone makes the entire experience feel more modern. No complicated installation process. No long cables running across the room. No constant shadow interruptions when someone walks in front of the projector. Feels clean, practical, and incredibly easy to use. The overall design also deserves attention. Instead of looking bulky or industrial, the projector has a sleek and minimalist appearance. It feels premium while still remaining portable enough to carry between rooms or even take outdoors for movie nights. The compact body makes it much more flexible than most ultra-short throw systems currently available. Once powered on, the built-in Google TV platform immediately improves the experience. Streaming apps are already available directly from the projector, including Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video. That means there's no need to connect extra streaming hardware just to start watching content. Everything feels integrated and simple. Navigation through the interface is smooth and responsive. Menus load quickly, streaming apps open fast, and the overall software experience feels polished. That matters because some projectors still struggle with outdated interfaces that make everyday use frustrating. When it comes to picture quality, the triple laser RGB technology becomes the main highlight. Colors look rich, vibrant, and extremely cinematic. The laser projection system helps deliver deeper reds, brighter blues, and more balanced greens compared to standard projection systems. Watching movies on this projector immediately feels immersive because of the strong color performance. HDR support also improves the visual experience significantly. Bright scenes gain extra intensity while darker scenes maintain better detail. Action movies, animated films, and nature documentaries especially benefit from the enhanced contrast and color depth. Even at full HD resolution, the projected image still looks sharp and detailed. Streaming content appears clean, edges remain crisp, and overall image clarity feels impressive for a portable projector. For movies, sports, YouTube content, and gaming, the viewing experience feels large, cinematic, and engaging. Gaming performance is another area where this projector performs surprisingly well. Connecting a console transforms almost any room into a massive gaming setup. Racing games feel more immersive, sports games look larger than life, and story-driven adventures become far more cinematic on a giant projected screen. Audio quality is also much better than expected from a compact projector. Portable models often struggle with weak speakers that sound thin or distorted at higher volume levels. Here, dialogue stays clear and overall sound remains balanced enough for casual viewing without immediately requiring external speakers. Portability is one of the most important advantages of this projector. Moving it from the living room to the bedroom takes seconds. Setting it up for outdoor movie nights feels effortless. That flexibility changes how often people actually use projectors because it removes the complexity usually associated with large-screen entertainment systems. Laser projection technology also provides longer-lasting performance compared to traditional lamp-based projectors. Consistent brightness, reduced maintenance, and improved efficiency all help make the projector feel more future-ready. Another impressive detail is the cooling system. Fan noise remains relatively low during operation, which helps maintain immersion while watching movies or gaming for extended periods. Small improvements like this make the projector feel far more premium in real-world use. Connectivity options add even more convenience. HDMI support allows easy connection with consoles, laptops, Blu-ray players, and streaming devices, while wireless casting support makes sharing content from smartphones fast and simple. What makes this projector exciting is the overall experience it creates. Turning an empty wall into a giant entertainment display within seconds still feels impressive every time. It delivers the type of cinematic atmosphere that traditional TVs simply cannot replicate at this level of portability. This projector is clearly designed for people who want flexibility without sacrificing entertainment quality. It works well for apartments, bedrooms, gaming setups, outdoor movie nights, and compact living spaces where large TVs may not be practical. While ultra-bright daytime viewing conditions may still favor traditional televisions, this projector performs extremely well in dim or controlled lighting environments. At night, the viewing experience feels immersive, colorful, and genuinely cinematic. The combination of ultra-short throw convenience, triple laser RGB visuals, built-in Google TV, HDR support, portability, and modern design makes this projector feel like a next-generation entertainment device rather than just another portable projector. For anyone looking to create a huge screen experience without complicated installation or bulky hardware, this projector delivers a very impressive balance of convenience, image quality, and portability. If you want to buy this Optoma ML1080UST Photon GO Ultra Short Throw 1080p HDR portable projector, please check the link provided in the description below.